Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is KIDSYD. So today we're gonna focus on how to mix vocals like C. So this is what we are going for.
Money is a wild world. Yeah, money. I don't wanna wake up every day with all the people. All I ever wanna now is money, pussy, weed. I don't fuck with women, fuck my friends, it's kinda creepy. Wake up every day and all I think about is all about money. Money, yeah, money, this is money. Everybody want to say money. This money, this money, money. Yeah, money, yo.
If you're new to the channel, welcome to the family. And if you're looking for this beat or this type of beat, or if you're looking for the beat that I used in this vocal video, go check King Tips. Yeah, I will leave a link in the description. You can go buy his beats. He makes a lot of dope beats. So first of all, the first thing that we do, I think this is the lead.
Money is a wild world. I don't wanna wake up every day with all the people. All I ever wanna now is money, pussy, weed.
Yeah, so this is our lead vocal. So we come to this type of thing, and then we go to the pitch corrector sample, and gonna load the new tone, and we come to this type of thing, and we search for the scale. We have a minor, a hash, or whatever, and we go to the insert 3 here, and we can start with the picture. This is the stock plugin auto tune. So let's listen to the vocal with only auto tune, of which is a picture.
Money. I don't wanna wake up every day with all the people.
Yeah, so we just set for our scale, and then we have our scale. This is a minor, and then we have our key hash, and then we play with this correction speed and about 52. Let's listen, and then we come to this gender, and then let's make like 47 minus 47.
I don't wanna wake up every day with all the people. All I ever wanna now is money, pussy, weed. I don't fuck with women.
And then if you don't wanna use the picture, you can use the auto tune that I use here, the Antares. And then our scale is minor, and then we don't have a hash, can go for A. And then we have input type alto, we have a return speed like 11, about 11, and then we have a harmonized 70. So the vocal with the auto tune.
I don't wanna wake up every day with all the people. All I ever wanna now is money, pussy, weed. I don't fuck with women, fuck my friends, it's kinda creepy. Wake up every day and all I think about is all about money.
Yeah, so it's the right one. And then we have a fruity parametric EQ. The first thing that we do, we cut out the lows, and then we boosted the mids.
I don't wanna wake up every day with all the people. All I ever wanna now is money, pussy, weed. I don't fuck with women, fuck my friends, it's kinda creepy.
Yeah, and then after the EQ, we add another EQ, but this one is subtractive EQ. And then we have those frequencies that we don't want at this point here. So for that, you let me use this one.
I don't wanna wake up every day with all the people. All I ever wanna now is money, pussy, weed. I don't fuck with women, fuck my friends, it's kinda creepy. Wake up every day and all I think about is all about money.
Yeah, so let's increase this one so you can hear what is it that is going on there.
I don't wanna wake up every day with all the people. All I ever want.
You can already hear what that is going on. I hope you have your earphones with you. And then we have another one here.
I don't wanna wake up every day with all the people. All I ever wanted now is money.
And when you search for those frequencies, please don't go all the way up.
I don't wanna
Jesus.
I don't wanna wake up every day with all the people. All I ever wanted now is I don't.
Yeah, so and then the next thing after the EQ, we add a Maximus. This is for DS. So we have two presets here. You can pick either one. So let me pick this. There's another band here, and then decrease a bit.
I don't wanna wake up every day with all the people. All I ever wanted now is money, pussy, weed. I don't fuck with women, fuck my friends, it's kinda creep.
Yeah, and then after the DS or Maximus, we add a parametric EQ. This one is to make the vocal light.
I don't wanna wake up every day with.
Yeah, without.
I don't wanna wake up every.
With.
I don't wanna wake up every day with all the people. All I ever wanted now is money, pussy, weed.
Yeah, and then the next thing that we do, we add a sound goodizer. So we have our A.
I don't wanna.
And then we play with the amount here.
I don't wanna wake up every day with all the people. All I ever wanted now is money, pussy, weed. I don't fuck with women, fuck my friends, it's kinda creepy. Wake up every day and all I think about is all about money.
Yeah, and then the next thing, we have a fruity compressor here. Our threshold is about -25 dB, and our ratio like 5.2:1. And then we have a gain like 10.9 dB. So it's too much, but this is what we needed for this vocal, for this type of song.
I don't wanna wake up every day with all the people. All I ever wanted now is money, pussy, weed.
Yeah. And then the next thing that we do, we have a delay. So this time I had a delay 3. I mean, like, there's a lot going on. Delay 3, guys, like, it's too much. So first of all, let me start our input with 100%. Our time, these things that we check, time is about 8.
I don't.
And then we have our delay mode stereo, the amount that we need for stereo at 100%. And then our level, we decrease our level feedback or feedback level like 14%. Our cutoff, we decrease the cutoff, feedback cutoff frequency here. And then I think you play with the output weight.
I don't wanna wake up every. I don't wanna wake. I don't.
Yeah, and then you play with the output weight, and then we have our output rate 100%. I don't remember what else did I touch here. Like, there's too much going on, that's why I don't like using this one. And then we have fruity limiter, so we used it as a compressor and also as a noise gate. So let's listen to the, before we listen to the vocals, so we have our threshold like -12.6 dB. We have a knee like 25%. We have a ratio at 3.3:1, and then on the noise gate section here we have our gain like -13.4 dB, and we have our noise threshold about -33.9 dB,
I don't.
And the reason why we used a noise gate is because there's a noise captured while I was recording, so I just wanted to decrease that noise. And for example, let me switch off and then play with that compressor here.
I don't wanna wake up every day with all the people. All I ever wanted now is money. I don't.
Yeah, so
I don't wanna wake up every day with all the people. All I ever wanted now is money, pussy, weed. I don't fuck.
Yeah, so you can clearly hear what is it that is doing. And then the next thing that I did, I sent this track 3 to track number 4 by clicking this arrow here, and then I went to the track number 4 and then I added a reverb, and my weight is 60% or 59%, and our separation 100%, and then my room size 100. I think I didn't touch anything else here. And then I just added EQ below the reverb to control the reverb there. So here's the vocal with the reverb, or is the lead vocal.
I don't wanna wake up every day with all the people. All I ever wanted now is money, pussy, weed. I don't fuck with women, fuck my friends, it's kinda creepy. Wake up every day and all I think about is.
Yeah, and that's it with the lead vocal. And then you can copy the same presets there and add to, let's say, another track there, and you can use that preset for the background lead vocal. I think I did that here, and just delete the delay in it, and then you can play with the reverb. You can change the sound goodizer, you can add a stereo enhancer. Yeah, and I think that's it for this video, guys. If you like the video, please consider subscribing, leave a like and leave a comment on the comment section below. Thank you for your support. Peace.
Money is a wild, yeah, money. I don't wanna wake up every day with all the people. All I ever wanted now is money, pussy, weed. I don't fuck with women, fuck my friends, it's kinda creepy. Wake up every day and all I think about is all about money. Money, yeah, money, this is money. Everybody want the same